Hi, I'm Barry Fikes with Texas Health Insurance Solutions, and I know I'm not the prettiest thing that you're ever going to look at, and this video is not going to be the slickest one you've ever seen. But if you're a small business owner in Texas, it'll be the most important one you ever watch concerning your group health insurance. And why is that? It's a question of power. You don't have it, you need it. The big insurance companies have the power along with the federal government now. And we need to change that, and that's why we're launching and wanting you to come and join us in the Texas Health Insurance Revolution. A revolution that's going to bring about better prices and better coverage for you and for your employees. Now, how are we going to accomplish this? Well, first of all, it begins with this first step. Volume, the power of large numbers. Like in any business, the more that you buy, the less the cost of each individual unit. It works the same way with health insurance. Let me ask you this question. Do you think a company of 5 employees or 500 employees gets a better rate on their group health? That's an easy answer, 500. How about 500 or 5,000? Once again, an easy answer. One of the great things about being here in Texas is that we already have a law in place that allows us to band together as companies in a health group co-op, a nonprofit co-op, so that we can get lower prices and better coverage. It's already in place. All we need now are the numbers to go and get the rates. The second step is simplicity, the power of splitting the risk. Now, what do I mean by the power of splitting the risk? In your mind, think about an imaginary line, and that line represents $5,000. Now, why is $5,000 important? Because the health insurance companies know that in any given year, only 9% of the populace is going to spend more than $5,000. So we simplify the plans. We split it at the $5,000 mark. And we have one A-rated company that takes care of $5,000 to $5 million, and another A-rated company that takes care of $0 to $5,000. The 0 to 5,000 is taken care of by a supplemental insurance policy. We've already negotiated a guaranteed issue, set fixed rate of $131 employee only per month. With volume, we can drive down the cost of the $5,000 to $5 million policy. We believe with 1,000 to 2,000 lives, we can get between $150 to $175 per employee per month on that policy. Together, combined, you're looking at somewhere between $280 to $300, $325 employee only per month. Now that's impressive. Step 3 is education. It is the power of knowing what to do. Now, once you become part of this revolution and we get the plan in place that we need, we're not going to leave you out there on an island. We're going to have videos and we're going to have a dedicated line so that your employees will know exactly how to use their health insurance so they don't get caught in between. With simplicity, with education, and most of all with volume, we'll be able to launch a revolution here in Texas that will be able to lead the rest of the nation and show all of them how we ought to go about the business of our group health insurance. But we need you. And we need you to do 3 things. 1, click the button on this website that says Join the Revolution. Fill in the information that's requested and enter in your census data on the form that's provided. If you have a census data already, you can attach it and send it to us. And the third thing, we need you to tell your business owner friends about the site and about the revolution and have them join as well. Because when we get to those numbers and we get those price points down to where they're affordable and reasonable, we'll have something special. It's time to go from the Alamo to San Jacinto on our health insurance in Texas. Join the Texas Health Insurance Revolution right now. We need your leadership. We need your vision. We need your initiative. Thank you.